Top 5 Worst Airline Disasters in Human History. Turkish Airlines Flight 9811974. Opening the list at number 5 is the Turkish Airlines Flight 981 disaster on March 3, 1974. The McDonnell Douglas DC-10 was en route from Istanbul to London via Paris when it crashed into the Ermenonville forest, near Paris, France. All 346 people on board were killed. The accident led to major changes in the cargo door design of the next in the modern world shocker, Malaysia Airlines Flight MH17, on July 17, 2014. A Boeing 777-200ER flying from Amsterdam to Kuala Lumpur crashed over eastern Ukraine, surrounded by armed opposition. All 283 crew and 15 crew members, a total of 298 people, were killed. An international investigation concluded that the plane was shot down by a Buk surface-to-air missile. Number 3 is a controversial and diplomatically charged affair. Iran Air Flight 655 on July 3, 1988. The Airbus A300 flying from Tehran to Dubai was shot down by the U.S. Navy cruiser USS Vincennes over the Persian Gulf. All 290 people on board, including 66 children, were killed. An Iranian F-14 fighter jet crashed amid tensions between the two countries, causing a major storm. Coming in at number 2, we have the China Airlines Flight 140 crash on April 26, 1994. The Airbus A300 was attempting to land at Nagoya Airport in Japan when it lost control and crashed. The cause was determined to be pilot error, who accidentally engaged the takeoff, go-around mode during landing, and then failed to properly return the aircraft to normal operation. The crash killed 264 of the 271 people on board. Number 1 is the disaster that happened right after 9/11's American Airlines Flight 587 on November 12, 2001. The Airbus A300 from New York to the Dominican Republic crashed into a residential neighborhood in Queens, New York just minutes after the tremors. The cause was that the rudder base used too much force to counteract the air turbulence from a Boeing 747 that had flown before, causing the plane's vertical stabilizer tail to crack. All 260 people on board and 5 people on the ground were killed.